Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at this 1/4-inch drive DeWalt set. And you'll see why I have my little impact driver in the background, as it has a tool for that too, which is really neat. But the kit opens up when you pull down these 4 tabs, and I'll show you later how those tabs interlock to help the cases stack. The inner tray also comes out, which is a really nice feature so that you can organize your toolbox, especially if you buy multiple kits or even just the one, but you can see how nice it looks when you're able to take these out and put them in your toolbox. It keeps everything separated very nicely. Nothing rolls around in the toolbox, and it just has an overall very clean look. Now, the kit itself starts, it goes up to 14 millimeter. I wish it would have probably done 15 millimeter. I would use a 15 millimeter more than I'm probably going to use that smallest size. But anyway, it's not too bad. As far as the standard, it's 5/32 and ranges all the way up to 9/16. So it's a good range for a 1/4-inch drive set. If you're using a bigger socket, you'd probably want to go to a 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch drive anyway. It does give you the really nice pear head, very smooth handled 72 teeth ratchet. So that's very helpful if you have small increments of ratcheting. You can really get into some tight areas, and so very useful for that. But that's the 1/4-inch drive ratchet that they give you, and very nice quality. I actually bought this one separately before I had the kit, and it worked really well. Now next they give you a small extension. It's not too long, but it does the trick. And I do have a video showing another kit you can buy that has some longer extensions and things. But this one's a really nice piece, and it has the little etched grips in it for you so that when you break the nut or bolt loose that you can continue to spin it. And so that's actually very useful to have. I like that feature. Next, it's going to have the reason why I have the impact gun, and that's this little impact adapter. So this allows you to use a 1/4-inch drive impact and then add the socket to the end of it and turn it into a little impact gun. So if you see one of these DeWalt 1/4-inch drive impact guns, all you have to do is put this right in the nose of it, and now you have an impact gun. And that's very useful for smaller projects. You know, you're not going to try to take lug nuts off or something, you know, more heavy duty. But it is a really nice feature if you have the 1/4-inch drive impact gun. And so to remove, it's very simple. You just pull forward and remove as long as you have the quick release set up there. So anyway, that's kind of the kit here. It's pretty basic, but it gives you what you'll need for a 1/4-inch drive setup. Again, some of the bigger size sockets, you would probably want the 3/8 inch drive or 1/2 inch drive anyway. So the case itself, as we were talking about, is really nice, very durable, and stackable, so you can add other kits to it, and then you just lock them into place with the side latches, and that really holds them together very firmly. They can stay together real nice, and they're not going to move apart if you have to transport them that way. And also stack on the toolbox really nice. So anyway, that's the 1/4-inch drive DeWalt kit and what it comes with the sizes. It's nice that it has the SAE and metric. And so anyway, if you have any questions, let me know, and check the video description. I have a playlist for all of the other videos like this that I've created, as well as where you can purchase these through the video links. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.